Yes, good morning once again. JPY Alpha from Milton Forex. Today's video, we're going to talk about the last setup that we are focusing it and the setups that I shared with the community so that you can also see how we made the improvement on this market, how we look our charts and how we analyze. But first of all, I would like to apologize for the late replies on you guys on your texts and your DMs. I was been busy this week because I was having some family problem, but thank God everything is settled now. And we warmly welcome the Christmas and New Year that's in front of our shadows. And for this case, this video, I think it will be our last video for this year, 2021. Next year, we're going to start new ways on providing education and providing signal service, training and mentorship to all those who are in need. And we have a lot of work to do on 2022. So I need more focus, more hard work people in my community. In case you want to join, just feel free to DM me. I'll be available these 2 weeks because I won't share any setups or anything concerning Forex. I just want to relax and put my mind free and well prepared for the coming year. We have a lot of work to do in the coming year. So let's use these 2 weeks for preparation. Okay, to continue, just as you know, we have our Facebook page where we share setups, and this week, the setups which was shared here, it was this one. This was the GBP USD setup shared on 2-hour time frame, and this was the before. We were expecting pound to rise up due to the DXY fall, and the current DXY, we're in a consolidation mode. We're gonna see how this price reacts and how it played out. Also, we have these setups for Euro NZD. Yes, we were expecting the short form if price could have come and retest here before it came up to collect these orders here. We'll see also on Euro NZD how it played out. Also, we are having same case Euro NZD. Yeah, this was the Audi USD. If price could manage to come to this invalidation level or hidden levels around this level, we could have taken this price to this low, then to take a buy trade here. But for that case, I will show you how I was expecting for price to play. Also, we have Euro USD, we have JPY basket and the DXY that I've been explaining the before and after and how it played out. In our Instagram page, I didn't share much setups. What I was sharing was only the scalping trade based on I think this was the USD card. Yes, let me see, the setup was shared here. I think it was the GBP USD. Yes, it was the GBP USD trade that I shared. And this was the before the trade happened to react. And this was the after. Yes, this was the after our stop loss missed by few pips, then price came to hit our take profit area. And as you know, our YouTube channel, this is the landing scape of our videos where we posted or we shared all of our videos analysis. You may come here and take notes on some content. Some are valuable to you. If you find it helpful, leave a comments below. I'll be there to reply on them. Okay, based on the community, what I want to show you, the setup that I shared this week for the community. Let me find it. Yes. Okay, this was the gold analysis, and everything started from here. We are looking at gold. We're looking at DXY for gold. We looked at JPY basket projection, Audi USD, Audi JPY. This was the Euro JPY, Euro USD. This was the forecasted of Audi USD and Audi. I mean the Audi USD 2 cases scenario that will we have been expecting, and this was the Euro Audi setups. Yes, these are all the pairs that we shared and the signal that we call. For this case, we have only one loss, and it was I think it was the two losses for Euro JPY, Euro NZD, and Audi JPY. Yes. Okay. Now let me show you. This was the projection of JPY basket that we were looking. And for that case, I was looking at this new invalidation level here. This was my block point. I was looking for to take a short trade here till this low here to short the JPY pairs. But what happened is that we managed to break this high, and that is where I take out this case and close everything that I was intending to take here and start focusing around this structure high, which is my block point on 4-hour time frame, which based on the multi-time frame starting from the daily time frame. As you can see, we have block point on daily time frame. So for that case, price came and tapped our 4-hour block point, which is our invalidation level. Then we show the moment, we spot the momentum here. Those who take consideration on this analysis, they take advantage of this, and price managed to drop till our take profit being hit. And for this case, this is the clear direction from what? From JPY pairs. In case you trade Euro JPY, you could have take a buy trade. In case you take Audi JPY, you could have take a buy trade. In case you are in Euro GBP JPY, you could have take a buy trade concerning this JPY basket here. Okay, another thing that I want to announce today is we're going to have the 2021 masterclass that we are going to close this year with the masterclass. I'm going to teach starting from the basic, starting from the basic till the ending point, how you manage trade, how you take trade, how you able to identify the multi-time frame analysis, starting from the monthly, weekly, monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hour, 2-hour, till the 30 minutes. That is our entry time frame. And for that masterclass, the price to join that masterclass is only 45 USD, and I only need 10 people who are serious to focus with. I want to focus with them till the end of this year. These 2 weeks, I'm going to teach them everything that I know. And in case you are serious and you want to join this masterclass, and the fee will cover all the premium service that we have in our military trading community, in which is the signal service, training and mentorship, and the Zoom sessions that we will be holding on the next year concerning the weekend market analysis and the trade breakdown recap. So in case you want to join, just hit me up on my Telegram. I'll be there to support you. I'll be there to reply and to answer all your questions. Now to continue with this, this is how the JPY basket played out, and the side effect of that, we're gonna have the buy, trade, or buying opportunity on JPY pairs. Also, we were having the DXY analysis, and for DXY, it gives us opportunity for this case. Let me give you a short explanation. This, we have the block point on daily time frame, we have the new invalidation on 4-hour, we have the invalidation on lower time frame, which we got this spike here, rejection of this, give us indication that we're going down, and the price failed to close below this daily block point. Price pull back. Still, we're in a ranging market, as if you have been followed my YouTube video concerning the DXY analysis, still we are ranging on an uptrend market. That's why I'm focusing for this DXY to rise up till the weekly invalidation of the weekly structure level that I've been spotting at this range here. Let me show you. This is the block point on weekly, which is our market structure concerning the previous high of previous trend that we are looking at to see if DXY managed to break here, then this will be our target point. We'll be focusing only on buyers opportunity. We are not going to focus on sell opportunity unless we are doing scalping. We're taking a short-term trade. That's where I'll be only looking for sell opportunity concerning the DXY. And for this case, we have the gold analysis based on previous. I was looking forward for this closing price here. Let's analysis obey. Okay. This was the previous chart. And before I was looking to take a sell trade around this level here, but this highs failed to come and collect these orders here. That's why I missed this, and price even failed to come to this low point to take a buy trade, because in a higher time frame, we are in a long bullish trend. Currently, we are out from this trade because we were taken out by break even, because we have this entry on our sell limit. Price move, I think it was 85 pips. Then price retraced back and take us out with a break even trade. So we don't have any trade here concerning. We get the break of structure. I mean the break of structure and pull back then to take a short trade. And we are expecting to break this low here because we have already tested the hidden invalidation level. Also, we're looking to buy at this buying liquidity. We have invalidation level. We have hidden structure on lower time frame here. These are the areas where orders are being placed by the institution. So for this case, I'll be waiting or monitoring this gold trade to see if it manages to break, but I'm not going to take any trade till I end up these 2 weeks. I want to leave behind this Christmas day and the new year to pass. Then I will be starting to monitor this price, because currently most of the countries, they are in holiday. So we don't take trades on holiday because there is no volatilities on holiday. No volatile or no volume increase on holiday. Market will only be consolidating. In case you get opportunity, that's going to be a risky trade and anything can happen on that case. So let's move to another currency pair which we were looking. It was the Audi USD. Yes, and this is what happened on our setup. Price came, engulfed this, show that buyers or bulls are already inside the market. We were waiting for this short trade. Then we take buying opportunity and manage to hit up this 115 pips. For 0.1, this is more than 100 USD dollars that you have been managed to bank in your account. And to show you another setup that we managed to hit is the Audi JPY. Audi JPY played as we projected, but what happened is that this movement here, we were expecting no candle closure before this. In case we have candle closure before this, then we could have taken this buy trade based on what? On the daily time frame block point. But what happened in this Audi JPY is that price failed to tap either the daily block point, even the invalidation level based on lower time frame. But as you can see, as I told you that on JPY basket, we are in a short trade, we're in a long short trade. The same case that we have on JPY pairs that I told you, Audi JPY. I mean Audi JPY, we're gonna have a long trade. Why? Because on JPY, we have a short trade. That's how I use JPY basket as my analysis tool or direction tool for JPY pairs. And another setups which we were monitoring this week, it was the Euro JPY. Euro JPY, thank God, it played out very, very well. And the trade that I call, people, those who I taught them, they know how to trade this, how to manage their setups. We managed to bank almost zero drawdown entry versus 139 pips, but price managed to move up to the structure level, which is the 4 block point, and managed to hit 200 pips for this week. So as you can see, only one tool can help you to identify the direction of almost 4 to 5 pairs of JPY. Another setup that we are having is Euro USD, but Euro USD failed to hit our key levels, and starting from the Monday, it created the low of the week here and came to create the high of the week here. So still on DXY, we are ranging, also on JPY, also on, also on USD, on Euro USD, we are having bullish market. But still here, I'm not sure that this market will hold till I break this. This is the daily point of block, which is the short-term structural test based on daily time frame. We have this level. I was expecting price to come test this buyer's liquidity that we left behind here. But for that case, that means we have a lot of liquidity here. As you can see, we have first phase that price came to test and it failed to close below. Second phase, third phase, this is the post phase that we have. If we manage to close above this daily block, this will be the case that we are going long in Euro USD, and the DXY will be short in a long term. But for that case, I don't have clear setup till the price give me indication or information that we are already up on price. That's where I'll start looking like high probability setups. Okay, that's for this case. I'll be waiting for price to close above to start looking forward to see how am I going to monitor this price range. Okay, now let's move to another pair, which is Euro AUD. Euro AUD, thanks God, it played out very well as we were projecting. And for this case, that it projected, yes, we managed to hit as you can see how Euro AUD respected our analysis. We failed to close below this was the scenario that we were expecting. We started to see bears started to kick in inside the market, and it was a clear signal that we are going down based on our analysis. And for this case, let me show you how we were looking for this Euro AUD. This is how I was looking on Euro AUD to see if this block point on lower time frame may manage to hold in the 4 block points. I was not expecting to see any kind of closure here because in long term, based on higher time frame, we are in a downtrend market. That's what I was expecting to see. Sellers started to kick in inside here and take advantage on them to short this Euro AUD trade. Okay, those who will join the masterclass of this December, I will teach them about correlation, how I also take high probability setup on Euro AUD because of correlation of AUD pairs, how I was focusing on AUD pairs really have impact on Euro AUD setup. Okay, another pair that we were looking was Euro NZD, and we have a full 1% loss on this pair, because also losses are part of trading. And this is how I was looking on Euro NZD setup. First, I was looking at this new validation level, which is also the block point of daily time frame. But what happened is that on 4 hour, we managed to close above. And for this case, we take the full 1% loss because we don't have any short trade analysis here. So price take us out with full 1% and came to test the 4 hour invalidation level around this range, which managed to hold the price and came to break this low here. Now for this case, I'll be waiting price to come to retest around my invalidation level based on market structure and this lower time frame short-term movement or short-term structure here based on this highs uptrend here, which you break the structure below. And I'll be waiting for price to hit this level here. In case price managed to reach this level before the start of the new year, I will not take trade here. But if we were in January, I could have taken this opportunity and take a sell trade to this low here, because in high time frame, I'm looking forward to take short trade on Euro USD based on the long term movement on this pair. If you do a top-down analysis, you'll find that we have already break the structural level based on weekly and monthly time frame, which this one was the pullback to collect these orders here and being to mitigate the high time frame block point or the orders that are left behind by institution on high time frame block points. This was the liquidation to collect all those orders. Okay, now for short term or short trade opportunity, it is the high probability setups on this pair, but any buy opportunity, the short term or scalping trade based on Euro NZD long term direction. And another pair is JPY USD. JPY USD give us a huge profit this week. Those who manage this trade very well, I think they are still inside. Still, I'm looking forward to hold this pair till these highs. Till these highs, which is the higher time frame block point, which I'm looking forward to be tapped and start to liquidate or to make a correction at this block point of daily after the break of structure here. Now for that case, still we are holding this to hit the target. As you can see, we have almost 286 pips collected here and still waiting for them to be heated. Now for these setups, let me see if I can show you what I was looking for. Yes, it was this. This was what we were projecting price to hit here, which we have our invalidation level of 4 hour. We have the short term or lower time frame market structure direction. We have higher time frame market structure liquidation here. We hit the block point of daily time frame. We break the structure here. We are currently on block point of weekly time frame, still looking forward to hit the new invalidation of previous 2 hour time frame trend, which we don't want to be that much aggressive on this trade. That will be our last point for this trade. Now, another pair, which is the last for this video, will be the GBP JPY. Also, GBP JPY managed to give us huge profit this week. And still looking forward to see if we will break this high here. We will have a very, very long-term uptrend market movement based on JPY basket direction. As you can see, this was the structure which I was looking forward. I managed to break and test the invalidation level here. We have bullish engulfing, which is our candlestick confirmation pattern that we have. we have the retest of bullish engulfing, 50% of this. We have the third drive on lower time frame, which we managed to hit this huge movement here. And for that case, we are hunting almost 424 pips on this trade. Still currently we are 362. Still waiting for almost 100 pips to be hit and to call it a final take profit being hitted, and to start the new year with a new analysis, with a new view, with a new projection for the coming week or coming year. Thanks a lot. Let me end it here. Leave a comment below in case you have any question, you have any area you didn't understand. Hit me up on my social medias, which is Instagram. As I showed you, we have our Facebook page, we have our Telegram channel. You can hit me up there. And in case you want to join the premium service, also you are all welcome. The fee is the last discount that we have for this year. And the coming year, we're gonna shift into high price based on the knowledge that you are going to provide to the community and based on the service that will be provided there. So in case you want to join the premium early, hit me up on my Telegram. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Okay. See you when you see me.